You can just roll this down nice and easy. Make sure it's even as best you can. Pinch that seam. Fingertips to the wrist. Taper it out. Let it go. Dough is nice and tight. You're going to have to let that dough relax. The nicer the brick, the nicer the rope. The nicer the rope, the nicer the log, the nicer the log, the nicer the rope. If you have an extra piece on here, that is up, so it gets rolled in. And roll out evenly. You can then go back to the first one and roll it out a little bit longer. Taper the ends. And again, we may have to go back a third time just to make it the right length. Fingertips to the wrist. And the idea is the proper number of ropes rolled out to the same length. Let's call it about 15 or 16 inches. I'll go back to this one more time. Remember, the dough is going to shrink back up just a little bit, so if you make it a little bit longer, not a problem. But the main thing is nice and even and a uniform length. Okay, 4. I'm going to dust these with a little bit of rye flour, dusting for 2 reasons. First, the dough's a little bit tacky and we don't want that dough to kind of hang up on itself. So we would dust it with flour of some sort to keep it from sticking to itself. But rye flour seems to have the ability to help the braid keep its shape. So a little bit of rye flour, toss it. And there we go. So the first step is to join the ropes together with those nicely tapered ends at the very top with as little dough joining as possible. Okay? We don't want a large knot of dough at the very top. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4, going from left to right. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the original numbers will not stay that way. Once we do one fold, then a new rope is going to become number 1. Okay? So the pattern is 4 over 2. 1, 2, 3, 4 is going to come over 2. This is one way of doing it, but if you do it this way, the braid isn't going to start until it gets here, and then you've got this ugly mess up here. So when you do a 4 over 2 or any rope, bring it right over the top. That was 4 over 2. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 over 2, 1 over 3. Again, we're not going to do this. We're going to bring it right over the top. That's 1 over 3. Now, one other thing that you can do is instead of making it nice and tight so that it looks beautiful, nice and secure and no space, before it goes in the proof box, we want to build in some space, so push that back just a little bit every time. That was 4 over 2, 1 over 3, then 2 over 3, 2 over 3, and give it a little bit of a push back. Okay? 4 over 2, 1 over 3, 2 over 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 over 2. You can see it's going to fit right in there. And give it a little push back. 4 over 2, 1 over 3. 1 over 3. And now try to keep these ropes straight like this. 1 over 3, 2 over 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 over 2. 1 over 3. 2 over 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 over 2, 1, 2, 3, 1 over 3, 2 over 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 over 2, 1 over 1, 2, 3, 2 over 3. Now you see we're getting to the end. So resist the temptation to keep stretching and stretching and stretching. It's a finite thing. It's going to end. 1 over 3. Now that was 2 over 3. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This you can do, just bring it in together. Press really hard, give it a one of those. Tuck that under and shape your dough like that. Once you have the braid made, put your eyes in soft focus and take a look at it. You should see a repeating pattern here, 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 the sides and the sides. If something looks out of place, then there's a misbraid. Okay? All right. So there's the 4 braid. The same principles apply whether you're doing a 3, 4, 5, or 6, or any of the higher braids. Okay?